Let me guess. You're here to learn how to make money online. Did I get it right? I did? Man, I should have become a psychic. Well, if you're here to learn how to make money, then you're gonna love this video. I'm gonna show you how you can get paid with the help of none other than Google Spreadsheets. This is something that you can do from any device that can connect to the internet, so whether it be from a computer or phone, you can still use this method. If you follow each step that I show you, then you're going to be able to make at least $500. Obviously, that means you're going to need to pay attention to the whole video and not skip ahead, because you might miss out on some really important information. Anywho, if you follow all the steps in this video, you can make that much money and have your money in hand in 24 hours. This is a really beginner-friendly way to be able to make money, so even if you don't have any technical skills, this is something that you'll be able to figure out. Also, this is something that you can do from anywhere in the world. So if you want to be able to bring this to while you travel, no big deal. You can do that. It's also very friendly, so no need to worry about having to spend money if you're not going to be able to figure out what you do. If you're interested, proceed because this will change your life. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Experts, the channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Alrighty, so let's get into it. The very first thing I want you to do is take a look right here. So basically, this is a spreadsheet entry job. If you've never heard about that, basically you just enter things into a spreadsheet and get paid. And you can make about 25 cents up until 40 cents per cell, which is a lot of cash. In a second, I'm going to show you what a spreadsheet looks like on Google Spreadsheets and kind of how to work it. But before that, you're going to want to open up a browser and go to this website right here. Now, this website is great because they offer free sign-up and they offer As I mentioned earlier, this is also something that you can take with you, so you can do this from anywhere in the world, any country you happen to be in. So if you happen to be traveling the world and you want to bring your with you, this is something that you can do. They also catch up weekly, so if you have money in hand within 24 hours, then that is awesome because they catch up every single day of 1 month. Now, as I said, you're going to use the spreadsheet, so you're going to want to open up the browser or window and go to the spreadsheet, and you are going to be getting 20 to 40 cents per cell. Kind of gives you the chance to make millions of dollars because obviously it's not just going to be 1, 2, 3, even just 10 cells that you need to enter in. So as you can see here on the site, you can become an Excel sheet freelancer, which pretty much gives you the flexibility of being able to work from anywhere. Now, if you want to go ahead and sign up for an account with them, then you're going to go ahead and click on this button right here. And then a page like this is going to load where it's going to talk about all the rules of submitting things and basically all of their step-by-step guide stuff. And it also shows you how you can submit applications. Alright, so now we're at the part of the video where we're going to sign up and the process. So you're going to want to pay attention to the way to screw up and okay, so the very first thing that you're going to do is create a username and put it here. And then obviously you're going to put in your first name, your last name, your age, and then you put your email address here. Now it's really important that you can add the email address because that's where you're going to do all the notifications about if you have a job or not. So obviously you want to be able to use those emails so that you can know when you have a job waiting for you. So put in an active email address or one that you have active. Alright, so next you're just going to go ahead and put your password. After that, you're going to go ahead and put in your mobile device number, your mobile phone number. And then once you've done that, it's going to ask for when you want to be able to start receiving jobs. And you're going to want to put as soon as possible. Make sure that you do put in as soon as possible just so that your application goes through quicker and you get approved faster so that you can start working. Righty-o. So now it should be asking you what position you want to apply for, what kind of jobs you want to do. And obviously for this video, we're going to be focusing on the Excel sheet freelancer job, so you're just going to go ahead and select that. And then for the country, obviously they select people from all over to apply for a position for an Excel sheet freelancer, and I'd like to get started as soon as possible. And obviously, you don't want to emphasize the fact that you know as soon as possible, just so they know that you are ready to get into work. So you obviously are going to want to put that phrase in so that they have an idea that you are wanting to work and this is something that's urgent. After that, you can just put in something along the lines of hear back from you soon or something like that, and a thank you for your time or something along those lines. But yeah, just go ahead and fill out your resume because obviously it kind of shows that you're initiative and you have a cover letter. So pretty much make sure that you got all of the sheets filled in, all your personal information, make sure your email address is right, make sure that this person is filled in, and once you're done with that, you're ready to get your application.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Alrighty, so if you have gone ahead and filled in all the personal information that they asked for in that portion at the bottom of the page, you can go ahead and hit register and just wait to hear back from them. Most likely you'll get accepted if you follow all of the instructions that they give you. And if you put in as soon as possible in both the letter portion and the application part, then obviously you're going to get hired faster just because they see that you're ready to work now. Once you get accepted and start getting jobs, you're just going to go ahead and open up your spreadsheet and start entering in. You have 2 days to be able to enter in this spreadsheet entry, and then you're going to be able to submit it and start getting paid. So after that, obviously they're going to start sending jobs to you and you're going to start your Google spreadsheet entry job. So obviously you're going to be entering things into the spreadsheet that they need you to type in. And it's really simple, really quick and easy to do. So obviously to be able to do that, you're going to need to open up Google Spreadsheets. And once you're there, you're going to type in all the data they need. And once you've done that, then you can get it. As I said earlier, you can make 20 to 30 cents per cell, which if you do math, if you have 100 cells, that means you $20. And that's just one job. So you could do this multiple times over again, as many times as you want, and make hundreds of dollars this way. Obviously, if they see that you're doing a good job, they're going to send more jobs your way, so you're going to want to put a little bit of effort into it, but your little bit of effort is going to go a long way. Anywho, that's all I've got for this video, and I hope you learned something.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.